have done a beautiful job on this stage tonight. And of course, thank you so much to Sis Protec. Napakabilis ang husay ng Sis Protec. Ang galing. Grabe to. Title. Alright, here we go. Who will move forward to face the final challenge of the night? Ladies and gentlemen, these 6 gentlemen have captured your hearts and of course impressed our judges with their presence, purpose, and pride. Here they are, your top 6 finalists for Mr. Gay Award Philippines 2025 are... Congratulations! Tanza Cavite, Costa Villate! You may now take your spot. Congratulations. Mabalagat Papanda Dale Bison! Halfway there, everybody. Spot number 3. Congratulations. Candidate number 3, Taguig Justin Manlapas. We have 3 more spots remaining, everybody. These 3 were determined meticulously by our judges, individuals who truly are capable of deciding who will win tonight. The next name I will be calling out is Cedric Rosal, Quezon City! Ladies and gentlemen, dalawa na lang! To all of our semi-finalists, thank you, and congratulations. Ang layo na ng narating natin. And know that you will forever have a place here in Mr. Gay Award Philippines and the entire organization. The 5th spot goes to spot remaining. This last spot goes out to candidate number... Sino dito? Nandun ba? Candidate number 2,